Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of turning off search suggestions in Microsoft Edge. And now let's get started! First, open Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is open, locate the three dots in the top right corner of the window. Click on these dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy, Search, and Services section. Scroll down and find the Search and Connected Experiences area. Click on Address Bar and Search. Here you will find an option labeled Search Suggestions and Filters. Ensure that the checkbox for Show Search and Site Suggestions for your typed characters is unchecked. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.